Open the mixed matrix control software. Click Setup to enter connection setting and select the communication method. There are two control methods, TCP or IP and serial control. TCP or IP default setting, IP 192.168.0.178, TCP 4001. Take the RS-232 controlled by PC as example. Select COM, serial port based on actual conditions. Click OK. Back to login interface. Default account, admin, password, 1234556. Select controlled matrix model, 4160 optional. Check remember to save the account and password. Click enter the board type setting interface, where the input-output card is displayed. Select the appropriate input or output card. Take the HDMI in out as example. Click OK to enter the signal switching interface. Signal switching interface. Here is the input signal list. Here is the output signal list. For example, here we can perform a switch all operation. All outputs display the same image. One-to-one switching. Close all windows with one click. Page up and page down. Use for multi-page output port lists. Here is scene list. Supports saving up to 10 scenes. Can realize scene save call delete. Scene saving demo. Switch input 2 to Windows 2, 4. Click Scene 1 and then click Scene Save. A Save Scene Success window will pop up. Switch window display. Click Scene 1 and then click Scene Call. A Call Scene Success window will pop up. Scene successfully called. Input setting interface. Select any input channel in the left input list. You can name the input port. Switch the audio input. Switch the subtitle. Edit the subtitle content. Edit the subtitle display position. Edit the subtitle color. Adjust the image chroma brightness, contrast, sharpness. Output setting interface. Select any output channel in the output list on the left. You can name the output port name. Set the output resolution. Turn audio on or off. Switch the signal format. Adjust the output brightness, contrast, saturation. Edit setting interface. Click the middle to display the input list, and select any edit from the built-in edit list drop-down menu on the left, to switch the input edit to the selected edit in real time. System setting interface. Here are current control matrix model and name. Management account display here, and administrator password can be changed. The IP address and port number can be viewed here. You can set the display language of the control software. Choose from Simplified Chinese, Traditional Chinese, or English. Enter the control code in send code and view the return info in the receive box. Port switch interface. Here, you can change the password. Input channel list. Click any input port and the icon will highlight. Output channel list. Click channel icons manually or enter a range XX and select. Highlighted icons indicate selection. Port permiss interface. Add a user, enter username and password, then click New User. New user succeeded will pop up and the new username will appear in the user list. You can also change a user's passwords or delete users here. Set available input-output channels for the current user. Selected channels will be highlighted. Click Save Setting. Save settings successfully will pop up. Import. Load a saved user list and permissions. Export. Save the current user list and their permission configurations to a file.